At least 30 years of research here at SDSU in my lab, where we've been studying how the heart responds to stress. So we look inside the cells of the heart and we look for biochemical processes that respond to those stresses, and we found such a process and one particular molecule that we abbreviate ATF6. What we sought was a way to restore ATF6 either in the diseased heart or in the aged heart, and now we know we have a way to do that. And that's what this grant was about, is pursuing this way to restore ATF6 activity in the heart.
I was the lead scientist for the drug development project, where we're looking at a small molecule that can mitigate infarct size during a heart attack. And now we're looking forward to taking that a little bit further and developing the drug.
Each year, 1 out of every 4 people dies of cardiovascular disease in the country. That's 600,000 people per year. And so we're hoping to make a difference there and maybe cut that number down. At SDSU, and particularly the SDSU Heart Institute, students are a big part of our research enterprise. They really make our institute what it is today. All of the data that went into the proposal was generated by 2 of my students. It was viewed by the review panel as so compelling, they gave the grant a perfect score.
It came about by a lot of work by a lot of people, including our boss, Chris Domboski, and a lot of the people on the team that worked on this project. A lot of hours went into this project and a lot of thorough planning prior to it that led to what seemed to be a seamless, perfect score, and we're very happy about it.
The compound that we found, which we think is a drug candidate, decreases the damage to the heart during a heart attack, and that would translate, if we make this into a drug, to increased lives saved as a result of this. And so basically a new treatment for heart disease after a heart attack.
And I never thought that I would have the opportunity to do research like this that could have such a great impact. So for me and for others who come in who have the same kind of background, that's really important, that we can actually make a difference, and that's pretty exciting.
You have to have a well-written product, the proposal itself, and it's got to be compelling, novel, innovative, and potentially result in a therapy in the future. The other thing that's necessary is it has to be done at a research institute capable of doing the highest level, in this case heart research, in the world. And I'm very proud that SDSU Heart Institute meets these requirements.